Everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is Tia, and today we are going to make friendship boxes for the holidays. I like making these for my friends. It's just a little something around the holidays to say, hey, you have a friend out here who's thinking about you. Hope you're doing well. Don't forget to take time out for yourself. So I'm going to show you everything that I have that will go in the friendship boxes, and then we'll start making them. So I'm making 3 this year. So I have 3 separate notebooks, and I think these match their personalities. So this, and then this one. Everyone has a mug. Thought this was really cute, and it's like a travel mug situation. And then this is cute and fun. I have to unwrap the last one, but I think it's really cute too. This one says peace, love, and joy. This is a beautiful like pink coral color, and on the back is an angel, and it comes with this coaster on top. I think it's really cute. I originally thought it was a lid, but no, it's an actual coaster that you can just put it on. So very cute, and it's double-sided so you can drink from either direction. Of course, we have pens to go with our notebook so that we can jot down our thoughts and do some journaling, because I think that's important. We have some hot chocolate, and we have salted caramel flavor. We have mint chocolate. We have chocolate supreme. I got these from Sam's Club. It came in a box of 34. So I divided some up for my friendship boxes, and then the rest of them I'm actually going to use to make teacher gifts for my kids' teachers. We have some jelly beans because one of my friends really loves jelly beans. We have these little stockings for the others of jelly beans from Jelly Belly. They're so good. Then we have these spoons, and I actually made another video showing you some of my finds from Home Goods for the holidays, and these spoons were one of them. And it's chocolate on the bottom with marshmallows, so you put it in some warm milk and you can make some hot chocolate, or even coffee if you like a what do you call it, a cafe mocha type situation. So we have these, and 3 will go to one friend, and then 1 will go to the other friend, because it's for their children, not for them, but for their kids. Oh, and we have one more. We have French vanilla hot chocolate too. So 4 different types of hot chocolate will be going to them. I have personalized note cards because, again, just want to say, hey, I'm thinking about you. Hope you're doing well during the holiday. And the things that you will need is, I got these boxes. Normally I do the flat rate boxes, but I have not been able to make it to the post office. So I just got these, and I will pay the difference of like flat rate versus sending these to them. And we got some tape to make sure nothing comes out. Finally, tissue paper to wrap everything. I forgot to get confetti, but life goes on. It's more so about what's in the box and like if they enjoy it. So confetti would be messy anyway. So we have this. So let's get started in making the boxes. Now that we have our boxes made, I'm going to start adding the contents. I'm going to start with a layer of tissue paper, and then we'll put things in as I think they best fit, and we'll go from there. Sometimes you have to compromise, and I don't have any more packaging paper. I have 1 piece left, and I don't have like any of the peanuts. So I'm going to stick this in a Walmart bag, wrap it up. Before I mail it though, I will get some of those mailing peanuts from the post office and stick it in here with it. Because I think these boxes might be a little too big, but it's okay. We're gonna make it work. I'm positive that I got like 15 sheets of tissue paper, but it seems a little thin right now. Yeah, 15 sheets. It seems awfully thin for 15. We'll see. We have this one again. I think this one is so cute with the angel and then the peace, love, joy. And I'm gonna wrap this one in a Walmart bag too. the hot chocolate flavors for each box. I'll do 2, some extra. 3 of these in here. She has 3 kids. And I'm actually so happy that the temperatures are dropping, so I don't have to worry about anything melting. But 3 pens per box. And then I have these sticker sheets that I use to seal the envelopes with, so I'll stick a page of one in each box. The stickers are really cute. And in a time when it's cold, to give a nice little spring feel, I'll do some more. Because who doesn't like a good sticker? Got that. And then finally, I'm going to finish up with the personalized notes. Actually, I'm going to put tissue paper on top of this. And like I said, I will get some packing peanuts to put in with this. And then that will be the final thing. And then I'll stick the note card on top. But when I tell you, I'm happy to just have this much done because your girl was slacking. Here we are, the personalized notes. But let me make sure I have the right person. Here, and here. So there you have it. Friendship boxes that will go out for mailing this weekend. And hopefully they bring a little bit of joy to an already busy season. And don't forget your permanent markers to write on your box because you don't want them to fade or go anywhere. I'm just gonna go in now and fill in some more stuff. I hope you enjoyed and let me know if you do anything like this for your friends over the holidays.